So we have a 2025 tool with the optional pintail deflector. We have the collet, anvil, nose retaining nut. We're gonna need a 5/16 Allen wrench and an adjustable wrench. So the first step, we're going to remove the pintail deflector. The next step, we're going to thread on the collet. To ensure that this is locked down correctly, we'll insert a 5/16 Allen key to the back of the piston. Then using a wrench, we'll tighten the collet on. The next step, we slide the anvil over the collet. And for the final step, we will thread on the retaining nut for the nose and tighten. And then at the end, if you have the optional pintail deflector, we will install that.